Hey, it's Leon with a quick update. We have upgraded the way calendars are created in the system. With this release, create a calendar in 30 seconds using the basic setup. For users who want more control, we have an advanced setup flow. It provides the same options as before, but in a more streamlined and user-friendly format. So let's dive right in. When you go to create a calendar, you'll see a similar menu to as before. And now it says simple calendar for unassigned calendars. Otherwise, it's about the same. But this menu is what's way different. It's so simplified. So select a name, a URL, meeting duration, basic booking availability, and select a meeting location and hit confirm. That was even faster than 30 seconds, and it will provide you a link to the calendar or an embed code right out the gate. That's cool. If you click preview calendar, that's super convenient. Now if you want to go back and change settings, it will take you to the advanced view. Here it will ask for meeting details, logo, description, group, all of the things that you're used to before. Availability. The wording has been improved, and there's quick tips, which is really nice. Oh, nice. Okay. One of the things that I'm excited about with this is that there's a custom availability option. It means that you can set your availability by the day, which creates a lot more flexibility. One setting I want to go over is forms and payment. Everything's the same before, and you can add guests and pre-populate fields and selected form instead of the default form and more. But as you can see, I don't have a Stripe account integrated or a payment integration set up on this demo, and so there's an option missing here. Just wanted to show it to you. And once you connect a payment integration that can process calendar payments, you go to forms and payment, and you would find this payment option that appears after you successfully connect your account, and you can enable or disable this. Going back, we've got the notification and additional options, connections, and customizations page. That's all for now. Feel free to look this up in the help library for more information.